Got big goals to change your world? Today we're looking at your goals inside out. Our special guest has a big goal he wants to achieve, and he's sharing it along with some of the insights and approaches about how he goes about it. You see those metrics from your efforts, financials, analytics, and social media. How do you equate attaining your goal in what seems to be a surreal and ever changing world? Are you setting yourself up for success or failure? Listen in as we disseminate how effective use of content, brand, mission, and stewardship can move that goalpost, helping you to reach personal milestones and perhaps change the world. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.